Solventum is a new company. It just started trading a week and a half ago. It was a spinoff from 3M. I like 3M. I'm a stockholder of 3M. I'm doing well with that stock. And for them to spin off, it's actually good news. Solventum is really going to focus on medical products, dental products, and really focus on those markets. It may be a win-win. On the announcement that they were going to spin off Solventum, the shares for 3M rallied, showing that, hey, the market really liked that they're going to spin off this part of the company. Spinoffs work. In some cases, like PayPal as an example, it was a part of eBay. It got spun off and it ended up being worth, 20 times more than eBay itself. So sometimes these spinoffs really work. In this case here, we'll see. Time will tell. For the time being, I was granted shares of Solventum because I was a 3M stockholder. So I want to take a look at the company and see, are these shares worth keeping, or should I sell these shares, or should I buy more shares in Solventum? I'll go through, I'll analyze the fundamentals of the company. I'll tell you my opinion on this company, where I think they're going to head, and then value the company. Last, I'll make a decision whether I'm going to buy more shares, hold my shares, or sell my shares in Solventum. Solventum has been more than $8 billion enterprise within 3M. So it's a pretty good sized company. You're paying roughly 1.5 times revenue for the company based on their current market cap. The company's been profitable and has generated free cash flow for the last 3 years of over $1.4 billion. Overall, it sells into a space that's very stable, healthcare, and those sectors are really growing. They're expanding. So their market continues to expand, and so will their revenues over time. The company is guiding that it will do about $6.10 to $6.40 in earnings per share. It's also guiding that it'll generate $700 to $800 million in free cash flow. Those are really good numbers. The one metric that I don't like is the growth in sales, top line. There's no expected growth. That could be a big problem. If this company doesn't grow, the market won't like it, and the stock price won't go anywhere. So I need to keep an eye on the overall growth of their revenue. I determine my own value for Solventum using their free cash flows and the model that I've created. I discount free cash flows that I expect from the company in the future. I started with the free cash flow that the company guided, which is between $700 and $800 million. I'm going to take the low point just to be conservative, which is $700 million. I'm going to discount all the free cash flows I expect in the future by 9.5% to get to a net present value of $10.5 billion. But the market cap of the company currently is $11.3 billion. So overall, there's about a 7% premium on Solventum. Not a bad premium on a quality company. It's coming from 3M. I have a lot of respect for 3M. So do a lot of investors. So I think it's fairly priced. So should I buy more shares of Solventum, hold, or sell my shares? Let's take a look. First, I look at just the company. Do I like the company, industry, management team? Do I think they're in an industry that I really want to be in? And the answer is yes. I like healthcare. I like that there's being spun off from 3M. Good quality company. 2 is the balance sheet. Is the balance sheet in good health? In this case here, not a lot of debt, which is very good. They have a good cash balance. So their debt is less than 3 times EBITDA. And they generate a lot of free cash. So the balance sheet is in good health. Third is a discount. Am I getting a discount? And the answer is no. On this particular investment, I think the share price is being sold at a premium. Therefore, that's a deal stopper for me. I'm going to hold my shares of Solventum, get more information, maybe let a few quarters go by, see how they're doing on earnings per share, and then revalue the company to see if I want to buy more shares in the future, or if I just simply want to sell my shares in this company. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it interesting, and I appreciate you watching.